Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to either log in or sign up, so let's simply do it. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this particular device. So now all we have to do is to tap on the circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's enter Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all installed apps. So let's simply tap on Updates Available, and here we can check which apps can be updated. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of those apps and update all. If not, just find those which you want to and mark them. So let me choose everything. Maybe not everything, but some apps from Google. Then let's simply tap on Update in the right upper corner, and as you can see right now, your device is downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied. The apps will be automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you do not have to wait here. You can turn it off completely and do whatever you want, because everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.